For question 22, we need to know some good estimations. Now, a ruler is typically 30 centimetres long, so this distance from here to here is about 30 centimetres. So we can see that a hammer is also about the same distance, 30 centimetres. We need to be good at estimating everyday objects. We'll have a look at the next one. You can see here that a pencil, by the way, we don't use this scale here, those are inches. That's for the olden days, we are using the centimetres down here. So a typical pencil, you've got a couple of centimetres left at that end of the ruler, a couple there. So 4 off 30 centimetres is going to give you 26 centimetres for the length of a pencil. Eraser is about that long, so that's going to be around about 4 centimetres for an eraser. Bigger objects, the length of a door is around about 200 centimetres or 2 metres. A man is typically around about 1.8 metres or 180 centimetres. And the standard door width is about 3/4 of a metre, and a height is almost 1 metre for the doorknob. Get familiar with those. We also need to be good at estimating angles. Now, for angles, you really need to be pretty good at estimating the angles. The centre here is where you estimate the angle from. So if I have two lines here, one here and one here, and I want to estimate their angle, I need to move it so it's in the centre there to get a good estimate of the angle. So I'll try that now. So by shifting the angle to the centre of the protractor using the inside scale, I see it's just over 60 degrees. So I would estimate the angle as to be round about 60 degrees. Remember, we start from 0 and measure around that way. If the angle was facing the other way, we could do it, I'll just show you. If the angle was facing out this way, then we would use the outside to show that that's just over 50 degrees. So to estimate this angle, using this protractor, we need to put the center, the vertex of the angle, right on that point. Then we can give an estimate of the measure. So I've moved the angle, the vertex of the angle, to the center. Start from the 0. Sorry, I've got the wrong one. Start from the 0 here and measure around there till you get the size of the angle. We're using the outside. So around about 140 degrees is a good estimation of that angle.